All right, so we're gonna do an unboxing video. This is a Leo Jaymz guitar kit that I ordered from Amazon. It was 179 change plus shipping, so it was 180 something dollars. I think the shipping was free and plus tax. I haven't opened it yet, so here we go. We're gonna break the seal on this. See what we got in the box. Got one more back here. Watch me cut my hand open with my knife. Wouldn't that be fun? Hey, great video. Also be cool if the lamp fell off the back of the dryer here. That'd be kind of funny, wouldn't it? Because that lamp right there is from like the 40s, and it actually takes an 1157 bulb out of an old Ford or something. But anyway, so here's the kit. It is. Look at this, huh? This is what you get when you order one of these from Amazon. Now, last I checked on Amazon, I think when I ordered this, they said there were 17 of these kits left. And I don't think they make these anymore. I've managed to find the Leo Jaymz website, and I don't think they didn't have this kit listed. So they do not make this kit anymore. So if you're going to get one, you may have to get one from Amazon as soon as you can. But anyway, here's this nifty book. This is the Alex. I don't know how to pronounce the guy's name. I should have looked it up. Leo? Alexi Leo? I don't know. Children of Bottom, I think, is the name of the band that he has. I've seen a couple of videos. So here's the book that it comes with. Look at this, huh? This isn't bad. Not a bad little instruction book. We'll kind of go through this as we put the thing together. So that's kind of nice. Well, look at that. I happen to be in the printing industry, and it's nice to see that there are people are still printing things, still printing catalogs and manuals and stuff. Little job security for people like me. But anyway, and it comes with this. I'm not sure what this is. This is just sort of a little card. Music online lessons, and it folds. So don't know. Okay, well anyway, there's that. Put that over here. All right, let's get the fun stuff. What do we got here? Yeah, I'm doing the hardware bag first. That's right. I'm not going to look at the neck of the body first. Nope. Going to check out the hardware first. You know, if you wanted to skip forward into the video, I don't blame you. But anyway, so let's take a look at what we got here. All right. Electronics package. Looks like we got some copper shielding tape. Well, that'll come in handy. Okay. What we got here? This looks like a bag of tuners, some strings, a spring claw, and control cavity cover. Tuners don't look too bad. All right. Locking trim, so we don't really need tuners to be all that great. And we got this very strange pickup. This looks like I guess it's trying to be an EMG. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll get a little marker and we'll put EMG on it. And anyway, you can see it's kind of wax sealed. There's that. Some more stuff. If you got some, just random things. Got some Floyd Rose stuff, and some tuner stuff, and tremolo springs, and oh yeah, see, okay, it comes in this little numbered little bag here. Okay, so that's kind of handy. The numbers on it. You can kind of go by the numbers. It's like a connect the dots or something. I don't know. Color by numbers. We'll see. And of course, the cheap hardware bag does have the tremolo arm in it. That's good. Okay. And then I guess the star of the hardware show is going to be the cheap crap Floyd Rose. Let's see. All right. Okay. Let's see. Here it is. Not the best lighting in the world here, but not bad. Okay. Let's get out of the bag real quick. Yeah, it's not too bad. It doesn't rattle too badly. It's probably these things up in here. Little Loctite, quiet those down. String locks, tiny 8-penny little plug. Oh, look at that little guy. Oh, come on, he's just a little fella. Oh, come on. Yeah, all right, so here's a cheap Floyd Rose. Cool. Tremolo cover. I don't know, I never use these. I never put these on guitars. I don't know, I always leave these off. I'll maybe cut something and cover for something else out of that. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so there's all that. I'm not going to throw the packaging away just yet. In case for some reason we need to return this thing. Hopefully not. Hopefully we don't have a defective piece. Alright, so let's get the body out next. What we got here? Let's see. Alright. Mahogany. There it is. Yeah, it's not too sharp. Kind of dull. We could file that down to like a nice ultra sharp point. We'll put a nice sharp edge on that. Okay. Okay. That's kind of nice. Right off the bat, my plans, I don't do finishes. That's really not what I do. My plan right off the bat is just put a couple coats of tung oil on this. And I think it'll take it pretty nicely. I think it's going to look okay. Looks like there's a little chunk of fill there or something. No big deal. I'm not complaining about that. This is a little rough here, but nah, not a big deal. Okay, all right. So there's the body. Reasonably nice CNC routing here. Just looks pretty good. It has a nice, I don't know if you can hear that or not. Yeah. Nice resonant piece of wood. Okay. Yeah, you know, machining isn't perfect, but it doesn't really need to be. It doesn't weigh very much. It's fairly light. It's not too bad. Okay. Here's the body. Actually, we'll just set this over here. All right, let's get out the neck. Neck. This will be the very first 24 fret neck guitar that I have ever owned. I have a hard enough time with 22 frets. I like 21 frets on a Strat. I can't do 22 frets on a Stratocaster. It confuses me. It baffles my little mind. I can't handle it. This has got 24 on it. Oh man, what are we going to do with these extra 3 frets? I don't know what we're going to do with all that. All those other frets, I don't know. Okay, right off the bat, this is not finished at all. This is basically raw wood. I don't even think they put a sanding sealer or anything on this. This is basically raw wood. Set neck. Of course, you know, any set neck guitar, you have the option of bolting the neck in, but okay, so this is 2 pieces. Yeah, it looks like a 2-piece neck. It's like a join line right through here. Right around there. Alright. Alright, cool. Well, there's the neck. Fret ends. A couple of them are hanging out a little. Not that badly. It looks like a 10 or a 12-inch radius. I'm not sure. Floyd Rose are not already installed. Okay. All right. Looks like. No. Okay. I thought I might have saw it. I almost clobbered my lamp. I thought I saw a shim under there or something, but I guess not. Okay. All right. So, neck is nice. It's got a. It's wide, it's flat, it's not super thin, it's got there's a little something there to grab a hold of. I mean, it's definitely a shred friendly neck, but it's not bad. Okay, all right. Okay, so now, of course, I'm not going to start building this right now. I got to go to work in the morning. We'll do a quick sort of body to neck to body. I don't know, am I joining the neck to the body or am I joining the body to the neck? I'm not really sure. Let's check out, okay, let's get this, maybe get this more, drag this a little more this way, so hopefully it doesn't fall off. Let's put this right here. Let's drop this in. Okay, all right. Well, it's a nice snug fit. Neck's not wobbling one way or the other. Okay. Now, that's good and bad. It's good because we got a nice tight neck fit. This neck is nice and tight. It could be bad if it doesn't line up properly. Now, I've seen a couple of videos of these guitars, having been built online. I've seen a couple of them, and it looked to me, maybe it was the camera angle, maybe it was the lighting, I'm not sure. It looked to me like the string geometry wasn't quite centered on the neck. And that's something that I think is kind of crucial. That's something that I really am kind of a stickler about. So before I set this neck in here, before I glue it in place, before I do any of that, we're going to do a mock-up on it. I'll put the studs in the body. We'll put the bridge on, you know, with the springs, and we'll set the bridge up. I might put the springs on it, but maybe set it in a blocked position, so it's basically kind of similar to where it'll be when we put it together. I'm not sure about a floating bridge. I'm not crazy about floating trims. I may block it off somehow. We'll see. But I want to mock it up, so I want to see if the string geometry is going to be correct before I set this in here. Of course, you really can't move this much. I'd have to move this if that's what we have to do. Hopefully, we won't have to do anything like that. So, but anyway, neck's not falling out. That's good. Okay, well, there it is. There's our Leo Jaymz with a Z. Thank you very much. Alex, again, I'm gonna butcher Alexi. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm gonna butcher your name. I apologize. Alexi Leo. I don't know. I'm sorry. I apologize. I feel horrible. But anyway, off to a good start. We got a good solid neck fit.